Okay, I know I did a little vlog for you at the beginning of the year where we showed you the school. It's changed quite a bit, so I had a few people in class asking me. I'm doing two parts because the cafeteria door is kind of open. Normally it's closed. So we're going to show you the cafeteria real quick. You can see they've done quite a bit here and there. I'm going to sneak in just a little. Look around the corner. They've done up here. You see they fixed this up with tile and all the stuff. Okay, so that was the cafeteria. So that was the courtyard. You can see they did the side. And I'm going to go around and just show you kind of what they're doing to the back from the inside. And then later during my conference today, because it's only 7:30 in the morning, I'm like the only one here. And so I'm not wearing a mask. Just me and the construction guys. Ooh, haven't been up here in a while. It's changed a lot. It's looking cool. Okay, so see. So that's you can see the new science wing way out there. You can see this courtyard, they're changing it up. Changed where the stairs and stuff were. I don't think you can see much more from upstairs, so let's go look out the window downstairs. And it's exciting. Walking through the building. I'll try not to fall down in this video. Remember I fell down last video. Cruising through the hallway. None of this has really changed. But if you haven't been to school for over a year now, memories. So I'm just going past lecture halls to our right, B wing to our left. See, there's part of the B wing. Coming up on C wing stairs. So you can see down there, that lot that's changed. I'll go out there later, show you that part. So you can see a little bit how they're changing things up. I don't know exactly what's going to be here, a courtyard and something. We'll just have to wait and see. All right, so there's part one. I will come back later and do the outside and add it all together. And then you guys will have seen the school. Woohoo, how exciting. Bye for now. Okay, so I'm outside kind of by the athletics. And now we're gonna be looking at what you can see in there. That's like the black box, the new theater section. So this is the athletic entrance. And that's just the baseball fields and all this. None of this has really changed. So I'm gonna pause you for a minute and we'll show you what it looks like on the back. Okay, so here we're coming around the back of the school. So I'm starting over here by the Art C wing. Okay, so we'll try to get you up high where you can see everything going on. Okay, so here's Portable Village, right? I'm gonna walk through Portable Village a little bit. I'm gonna walk around to the back so you can see the whole scope of everything. So nothing too exciting. Not too exciting, just walking between the portables here for a minute. It's actually kind of chilly out here today. Windy. You never know if it's going to be spring or summer every single day. At least it's not winter. Okay, so coming around. Okay, so you can see I'm working. I'm going to jump up on one of these rocks so we can get a better view. Oh! There you go. So you can see the whole back of the school. So that will all be the new science wing. It's way over there on that far end. It's kind of where the bus loop and everything is. And that's all we got.